everyone, it's Tammy, and today is the third card that I'm going to make, or the third project that I'm going to make using the Hostess Yay You stamp, which is only available through Stampin' Up! With a $150 purchase or more. And it's a really great time to get it because it's celebration. So you can also earn a free stamp set or product or whatever you'd like in the celebration catalog through the end of March. So if you want to shop, my link is down below. It's open 24/7. I'd love to be your demonstrator. So the first card I made was cute, and then the second thing I made was a bag, which I struggled with a little bit, but I think we worked through it and it was good. This is Crafting in Real Life. And then now I'm going to make another card, and I'm going to use our powder pink stamp set, or cardstock. This is an in color card. And then I also want to use, I don't know what color. I want to use a kind of a red color. I think I'm going to use the rose red. I think that will be pretty. So I have an idea in my head, but I don't have it completely done. But I have an A2 size card already folded and scored. And this is a top fold card. So it measures 5.5 by 4.25. And I'm also going to use this powder pink paper, which is cut at 4 by 5.25. So it's just going to be my next layer. And then on top of that, I'm going to put a white layer, but I don't want it to be right inside. I want it to be smaller and fit this little guy here. So I'm going to do my stamping first. And the first thing I want to stamp is my piece of Whisper White. And I'm going to use the banner stamp. And I'm going to use my basic gray. And I'm going to try to get this as straight as I can. And I'm just going to, you know what, I'm going to put one in the middle. That way I know I can just do one on top and one on the bottom. So there's one in the middle. And if it's not perfectly straight, I am not going to worry about it because I am not a perfectionist when it comes to things like this. They're homemade, and it's okay that it looks homemade sometimes. Or all times, really. So I'm just going to do it like that. And then, in the middle one, I'm going to put, I think I'm going to put Enjoy. No, I think I'm going to put You're Truly Amazing. I like that. I like all of the sentiments in this stamp set. I really, really do. It has You're Truly Amazing. It has Yay, You Did It. It has You've Got This. You Inspire Me. I mean, it's just very uplifting and nice. So then now what I'm going to do is, I think I'm done with my basic gray. I'm going to get out my powder pink, and I'm going to get out my solid banner. And I'm just going to stamp this in the middle banner. Oops, like that. Very cute. And then I'm going to take my rose red, clean off my banner, and fill in the top and the bottom banner. Like that. And I like how the banner's kind of distressed. It's really cute. Put this back, and then I need my heart stamps. And I think I'm just going to do the outline. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to do this in rose red. And I'm just going to stamp all around this sides of both of these, or of this card. And I really don't know how far in I need to go. So I'm just going to go probably that far. Seems like it's enough. Getting a little carried away on this side, maybe. We'll see. Okay, so now I'm going to cut this down so that it is about equal distance, or so that these are centered, I guess is what I'm trying to say. Like that. And then this is going to go in the middle like that. All right, I think that's cute. I think that that has enough of the hearts on it. So I think I'm done stamping. And the only other thing I can think I might want to do is outline this in some rose red. So let me see if I have any in my drawer. I should. Real red. Rose red. Oh yeah. Let's see if I have a scrap. And I do, but it's not tall enough. But that's okay. I have another scrap. So I'm going to make this, well, what am I going to make it? I'm going to make it, I think, 5.5 inches. And then enough to outline this. This side is a little bent. There we go. I'm just going to center this on this paper from top to bottom and from side to side if I can. The best I can, I guess I should say. And then I'm going to center this on the page. And it should stretch from the top to the bottom. Oh, it's going to be a little longer. I didn't even think about that because this is not my actual card, is it? This is just the card base. Okay, well, forget what I just said. I'm just going to stick that on there. And then let's see how that looks with this being taller. I actually think that looks all right. I'm going to use it. I could cut that down if I didn't like it, but I think I like it. So sometimes your mess ups are beautiful things. Other times they're just mess ups. So let me make sure this is kind of straight on there. And then I think I will also keep adding. I'm gonna put some of these little rhinestones, at least on that one. Ugh. I'm going to put it on this one and see if I want it on the other ones too, but I mean, do I just leave that one with the "You Are Truly Amazing" with the rhinestones on that? I think I do. I like that. All right, so there is card number 3, and I just threw my rhinestones on the floor. Very cute, if I say so myself. So consider being a hostess, and you know, maybe some of your friends would want to order or something like that. I don't really have parties, but I'd be happy to help you however I can. And or you can do as I do and spend the $150 myself, because it's easy to do, and you get, with $150 you would get 3 free things. No, you wouldn't. 1, 2, yes, 3 free things from the catalog, from the Celebration catalog. So, whoo-wee, 3 things. That's awesome. All right, well, thanks. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.